If you need to replace the motor on your belt drive fan, or would prefer the efficiency and convenience of a direct drive fan, Dayton has a retrofit kit for belt drive fans, designed to convert to an energy-efficient, variable-speed direct drive fan, using the existing housing. Let me demonstrate how easy it is. This PowerPack includes a UL-approved variable-speed motor with a motor-mounted potentiometer, support pan, and backward inclined aluminum wheel, all in one piece. To change the unit, it will only require about 30 minutes. First, remove the 4 screws from the motor cover. Then remove the 4 screws on the support pan. Next, remove the wind band. Take the existing drive assembly out. You will no longer need any of this assembly. Put the new PowerPack in place, lining up the mounting holes. Put the wind band in place. And reinsert the screws into the support pan. Reconnect the power. Set the speed using the speed controller on the motor. Put the motor cover back on. And reinsert the 4 screws. Now your fan is operational and only routine maintenance is required. Another benefit in retrofitting versus replacing the whole unit is that you don't need to worry about disturbing the roof membrane because you're only replacing internal components. This concludes our variable speed fan demonstration. For more information, check out www.granger.com or www.solutionsforair.com.